In the quaint town of Maplewood, the changing seasons brought a palette of activities that transformed the lives of its youngest residents, an eager group of friends, Lily, Jack, Mia, and Sam. With the arrival of spring, vibrant blooms and lush greenery enveloped the town. Our heroes, armed with magnifying glasses and notebooks, embarked on nature hunts in the sprawling park, cataloging everything from the budding flowers to the busy bees. School projects about nature came alive as each child filled pages with sketches of daffodils and cherry blossoms. Summer swept in with a warm embrace. The kids' days were filled with outdoor adventures, from morning bike rides to late evening ice cream splurges. The local pool was a daily ritual, where hours disappeared into contests of who could hold their breath underwater the longest. Fireflies lit their nighttime quests in backyards, their laughter echoing under starlit skies. As leaves turned amber and gold, fall declared its arrival. The crisp air was perfect for football games at the clearing near Jack's house. Saturdays meant apple picking and hayrides at Mr. Wilkins' farm. Evenings were reserved for hot cocoa and ghost stories, their shadows dancing by the flickering firelight. The thrill of Halloween was unmatched, with each child donning costumes they had planned months in advance. Winter wrapped Maplewood in a snowy blanket, turning it into a wonderland. The lake near Mia's home froze solid, beckoning for skates to glide across its glassy surface. Snowman building contests were fierce, though playful. Even parents joined in. Indoors, they crafted handmade gifts, warmth radiating from both the fireplace and their hearts during the season of giving. Seasons in Maplewood not only signaled a change in weather but a rotation of joy, discovery, and heartfelt memories, each year adding layers to the cherished childhoods of Lily, Jack, Mia, and Sam.